Here's a new 2023 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. You need a truck that's as much of a workhorse as you are. This Tundra was built to meet life's toughest demands. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Twin-turbo V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, steering assist cruise control, and automatic transmission. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida